Having accessories on your truck is a must, whether it's adventuring, working, or whatever it is you do. The Elevate TS rails are a must-have for your truck. These rails give a solid foundation for a multitude of accessory options for whatever it is you need. Adding these rails provides a unique experience. With the TS rails, you can still use your current truck bed cover if you have one. These rails use the common T-slot channel, so they are compatible with a lot of accessories like the Elevate rack, fasteners, and these tie-downs here. Elevate TS rails are made from a durable aluminum and come with a really nice textured powder coat finish for rust prevention. Included with each pair of rails are a set of 4 tie-downs. Installation is simple and shouldn't take any more than 30 minutes. There are 5 different lengths and part numbers to match a wide variety of truck beds. Make sure to choose the correct one for your truck. If you are interested in purchasing the Elevate TS rails or looking to have them installed, check out the dealer locator below and subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out. We'll catch you next time on In the Garage.